Alright, man, I'm picking up at the coal mill again. Literally doing the same exact run I did on my last video, going back to Tulsa, Oklahoma on Monday. But today is Thursday, so I'll leave out Sunday again. Having a load shortage, reason for me going home on Thursday today, so I'll probably get some clothes washed, all that good stuff, and go home. That way Sunday I don't gotta worry about nothing. Do grocery shopping for this truck. That way Sunday come, I'm just gone. I don't really gotta worry about nothing once I go home. Start chilling. Yeah, man. Walk with me as I'm about to secure. What up though, man? So I just got home. Nah, I'm lying. I've been home since last night, 5 p.m. I actually slept here. My car was up in the shop. I just got it this morning. But yeah, man. Let's see. Single steel coils, what I picked up. Going to Tulsa, Oklahoma Monday, and show y'all right quick. Make sure all my stuff locked up. Yeah, I'm gonna leave out Sunday. Just don't deliver till Monday though. Little something. My tarp job still ain't the best. Ain't no way of perfecting this tarp job stuff, but yeah, man. Some of my videos, I'm try to make sure that, real quick, for anybody that want to know what a truck that has a bathroom and, stuff like that inside of a sink, kitchen and stuff, that's what they look like. Kinda. They're longer or they look like that, but yeah. Man, I appreciate y'all subscribing, liking, commenting. Spin my videos, man. Get me into that YouTube algorithm, the truck drivers. Man, and if y'all see me out in public, man, I'm real antisocial, and I don't really like, being around people, antisocial, and introvert. Yeah, I'm an introvert. I don't really like, being around large groups of people and sometimes people in general. But y'all see me out, man. Like I just seen a couple people. Seen somebody at the terminal that subscribed to me. I just seen a co-worker here where I park it. You know, he real cool. That's out here up on this dedicated account too. A different one, but yeah, man, that go a long way. Make me feel good, you know, putting more videos out, you know, and getting y'all opinion on the people that's actually watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. You know, I appreciate it, man. I really do. It make me feel real good, and you know, positive feedback. Yeah, man, I'm not gonna make this too long. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Appreciate y'all, man, and I'll see y'all Sunday. Today's Sunday, man. About to head out. I'm getting all my stuff now. It's kind of snowing out here. Almost did it. Slip. Yeah, man. Get as close as I can to Tulsa tonight. That'll make that same run I made in my last video, or one of my last videos. So Tulsa, Oklahoma. Move my car. As you can see the snow. Yeah, man, I will see y'all Tulsa in the morning, man. Light snow, won't stick. I hope not. Yeah, see y'all in Tulsa, man.
Dog is available in more than 30 states.
All the way. So, you know, he owns a bunch of Mercedes Benz models. And so I think that because I'm pretty sure that if people start to leave, you think you can recreate.
I ain't even gonna say that.
Yeah, that was $1.
What you think about Bill Belichick retiring?